Audio is right. How is the video? Is hope I am also visible as well. Right. Perfect. So how are you guys? Day 3, we officially start of the value added course and the day 3 for the training internship. Right. The training phase. How are you? How's the journey with Rera going? Learned anything new? Right. Got to learn something new. You can actually teach us about anything, guys. You'd be happy to know. Yes. Perfect. Great. So yes, we already have too much on our charters, right? We have a lot to do. So yes, I guess we'll start from the homework. Can we begin from the homework? Right? Okay, so two homeworks, I guess. And I'll make it absolutely clear यार. कल मैंने कुछ कहा था, right? iOS के regarding. I did ask you something. कुछ होना चाहिए. Did I? Someone mention in the comment section. I guess you can mention in your comment sections. What did I ask you to do? I guess now you can also unmute yourself and everything. Right, vote. पर vote तो कहा ही था, पर vote से होना क्या चाहिए? मैंने एक term use करा था. Can we get near to that? Yes. Yes, perfectly. Yes, this is where people on YouTube. Yes, you are guessing it right. I said yes. Spam होना चाहिए. उन्हें पता लगना चाहिए कौन आया. Right? They should know. Systems crash होने चाहिए. And I'm not kidding. We'll have the founders of iOS very soon with us, guys. I did get a call from them. Of course, server crash nahi hue. That was absolutely motivate, but yes, a huge amount of accounts got made. So the ode goes to you. You can like celebrate yourself, guys. Some thumbs up, some clapping for you, right? It's the team effort which I was talking about. You guys have accomplished it. So I was so perfect. We'll be talking more about it. There will be a lot of things coming in. Second homework about res subjudice and res judicata. Right? I hope now everyone is aware. Any one of you would want to unmute, you just raise your hand. You can just teach us. Okay, perfect. So Srishti is here. Yeah, please, Srishti. So what will you explain? Res subjudice or res judicata? Explain one, right? We have a lot of hand
I'll
raised.
do res judicata. So res judicata means you can't file a new case about something that has already been finally decided by the court. So its purpose is very simple. It stops the people from suing again and again over the same issue between the same parties, and it saves the time of the court.
Perfect. Frivolous litigation, right? We are avoiding frivolous litigation to a certain extent. Perfect. Great.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you, Srishti. Right. So one is done, the other. So Sanskruti, why not you take it, right? You haven't answered yet.
All right. Res subjudice is a matter that is still under consideration, and it prevents courts from simultaneously entertaining and adjudicating upon two parallel litigations, I feel, upon the same cause of action and subject matter and relief claimed. So yeah, that's all. And it's governed under Section 10 of CPC, Civil Procedure Code.
Perfect. We are getting at the cusp of it, right? That's good. That's perfect. Someone was also asking regarding, this is what I want here. Clap, like, खुद ही, like, motivate the other person. मुझे ना बोलना पड़े बार-बार. Very good. खुद हो जाना चाहिए अभी. Make it thing, right? Someone answering, motivate them further, right? That's good. So yes, a query I just saw, appeal के लिए. So yeah, with everything, it's also that the forum shouldn't be the same, right? Like if a civil court and a junior civil judge has decided your query, right? Your thing. Now, when I talk about further, when I talk for that, if it can be appealed, of course, it can be reviewed, yes. But if I say you just filed a case for possession and you didn't get it, so you just can't file a case for possession again in that court. आप उसका review डालेंगे, आप appeal कर देंगे district court के पास. So it goes further, right? And yes, so why did I talk about it? Because today what we'll be discussing about res judicata and res subjudice. That's a very important flair in it. And I guess for that also we said like a lot of you were also like asking of DMing our student coordinators and even calling them to that to be discouraged. And koi query aap aaj batao. See, we had a few queries, DMs on Instagram. So I guess the day we saw it, I guess वो resolved हो चुके थे. If any new, you can let us know. You can write in the comment box. अभी reply कर देंगे, right? This is for interaction. But like again, like student coordinators को यार like calling also, so that disturbs the schedule. You understand that, right? You understand that? Anything you ask in the comment box, right? And if like, chalo, I'll allow this. I'll allow this. If there's something like damn personal, and I don't know why will it be, but if it's that, you can DM me. I give that liberty, but it has to be absolutely urgent. That's why first, second day पे I usually don't see DMs most because I know वही दो तीन चीजें होंगी. सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा नहीं. अरे सर्टिफिकेट तो नॉर्मल हो गया ना. हम कुछ सिखा पाए आपको एंड आप उसके आगे एक्सप्लोर करके कुछ कर पाए, दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. तो ठीक है, वो भी एक क्वेरी है, इंपॉर्टेंट है. कॉलेज नहीं जानता या आई वोंट जस्ट कॉलेज बट ऑल अथॉरिटीज सब प्रूफ ही मांगते हैं. चाहिए सर्टिफिकेट, आई गेट दैट, आई डोंट डिनाई दैट, बट समझो we are going for something very vital, right? Okay, I do have a query. Just a minute, guys. I'll just have a look. So Vineet's asking. Okay, so one thing Vineet, I guess that's a very much part of your program, right? We want you to explore various. So yes, we do consider that you make account and eventually, right, various things. For example, I guess if you're especially from like any group, let's see, ideally training period and वैक में कुछ फर्क नहीं है एल से. मैं ऐसा कुछ नया सिखा दूंगा, right? सब सेम ही चल रहा है, nothing is changing, guys. But yes, eventually like ठीक है, you are always at free will to avoid. But if you're especially from वैक, तब तो I don't think there's an option, right? And it definitely shows a conduct, even if you are an intern. But conduct भी तो important है ना, तो हाँ, it's a part of the activity. Simple यार, करना है, simple. Any other queries, please ask them, guys. कभी कभी skip हो जाए, आप दो तीन बात पूछ लीजिए. इंसान है, right? हो सकती है गलती. तो ठीक है, res subjudice, res judicata. We are getting quite the vital hang of it, right, guys? So who said one more query? I guess it's Sanskruti. I guess it's I tried voting, but it said you need blockchain voting. Maybe I guess there would have been some technical flaw. It's very much prudent, I would say. So ठीक है, I guess today there shouldn't be something. You can try again, right? अभी we'll explore on it, right? अभी थोड़ा पढ़ लेते हैं. Like कहा ना, today is about iOS, तो अभी रेरा पढ़ लेते हैं. That's important. Also, both are important. So I'll discuss another vital provision before I go anywhere else, right here. So I'll just share my screen and let me know when it's visible, right, guys? First, tell me if my screen is visible. Perfect. Are we able to see section 12, guys? Just let me know regarding that. Right. And I hope any one of you has like even a whiff of Consumer Protection Act. Are you aware of it? Consumer Protection Act के बारे में? You guys are aware? Perfect. Perfect. So who knows about misleading advertisement? And Nitin, I guess you got onboarded very late. I guess a number wasn't added. Basically, a problem was that you had to join it through the Google form only. There was a link given. But anyways, we'll help you in that. We have the recordings, guys, so you can be shared. You will be shared the same, so that's not a worry. But yes, we are aware about Consumer Protection Act, right? Are you guys also aware about misleading advertisements? Yeah. Perfect. Srishti has something to say. Please, Srishti.
So, the misleading advertisement is when an ad gives false or exaggerated claims that make someone buy or engage in a service which is not true about the product or service.
Sorted. Got it. To a certain extent, it's much vital. Yes, that's a definition clause, I guess. So that's misleading advertisement, right? But when I talk about RERA, they also somewhere discuss about misleading advertisement. Just go through the section 12, right? Just read it, have a basic nuance of it. Right. So I'll just share a small announcement. We have Miss Disha Paul who has joined, right? And she's one of the co-founder guys of iOS. Can we have some excitement for her, right? She's just joined her, yaar, and some big amount, yaar. ऐसे ये तो हम normally करते हैं. Screen पर जानी चाहिए. She's just joined, right?
Hi, Harmeet. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining today.
Perfect. So
Oh my
yes,
God, thank you so much for all the claps and the flowers and everything. Thank you so much. We have Joydeep as well with us today.
Achha, you joined from one ID only, right? So we also have Mr.
Yeah,
Joydeep
yeah,
Montu, guys. He's the founder of
Yeah.
iOS. Both of them, right?
Yeah.
Right? Perfect.
Thanks, Hamid. Oh, it's such a wonderful place, it's lovely to see all the students here. You are doing some great job.
We have 116 so far.
Wow, you are doing some great job, and I'm literally glad to see that Indian students are so enthusiastic. Thank you. Please go on.
Please go on. We will not stop you anymore. Please go ahead.
No, not an issue. Yeah. So guys, yes, iOS is the key cornerstone for today. But yes, back to section 12. What does section 12 say? That where any person makes an advance or a deposit on the basis of the information contained in the notice of the advertisement or prospectus on the basis of the model. Let's go through it. The plot of the building, any loss, right? Any advertisement, right? Builders अपना prospectus निकालते हैं, right? Before buying, you have to buy anything. There will be prospectus. There will be huge hoardings. I guess 80% hoardings real estate वालों की है, right? More from the major areas. So when you look at that, any loss that occurs, ki you are offered a 4 BHK but you get a 3 BHK. That's like one sleek thing which can happen. Or you were offered a great lobby or maybe a great place to live in, right? Probably pool was offered, pool was told there would be some great pool, and कहा गया कि Olympic size pool होगा, and वो बच्चों वाला pool दे दिया, right? It's always not that there is something false. As we discussed, misleading, it can be right what you were promised and what you got instead. So this section totally deals over it, that whenever such misleading advertisement happens, though the word misleading advertisement hasn't been used to that particular extent, I will mention for that the builder is the one eventually who has to eventually promoter they mentioned, right? That's the terminology. They are the one who will be taking care of it, right? Any incorrect statement, and there's a proviso that if person by such incorrect or false statement contained in the notice, advertisement or prospectus or the model apartment, plot or building, as the case will be, if they intend to withdraw it, so they can get the money back. Are we getting a glimpse of it, right? We are getting section 12. We'll go again another section, right? And then I'll talk about the bigger aspect, what I'm talking about. Abhi socho na, like there is misleading advertisement in consumer courts. There is, right? But why do we have RERA then? Consumer court hi chale jaiye, I guess. Consumer court covers, like if someone can just tell about it, consumer court covers real estate matters ya to RERA hai. If you are aware about res judicata, res sub judice pad liya. If you just go, there is section 79. I'll just rush through it, right? Just a minute. Okay, ask you have something to discuss about. You may unmute yourself if you want, right? So section 79 को देखिए कि no civil court shall have jurisdiction to entertain any proceeding in respect of any matter to which authority or the adjudication. Okay, that's right. Adjudicating officer or the tribunal appellate is empowered under this act, right? So they are saying no civil court can come. So your local courts, right? If someone's from Rajasthan or from Bikaner or Bikaner district court, someone's from Pune, the Pune district court, right? The civil court, they can't really entertain it. It has to be RERA, right? So now just think about it. They are not allowing a civil court. So will they allow consumer court? Ponder over it. You can consider it a trick question, anything, matlab, of course. But yes, you can have your views in the comment section, guys. We'll just... Yes. So can it be or can it not? I guess thak gaye kya hum? Just day 3, guys. We have a long way to go. 2 to 3 people like, nah, bhai, I don't appreciate that. I'll make my question clear once again. There is already RERA, right? RERA is the appellate tribunal which will take care of everything, right? You have any problem against the builder, there is RERA. Absolutely, we don't deny that. But there is also consumer court. But when there is a specialized court which is RERA, the court will talk it as tribunal. That's much better, right? Tribunal is a better terminology. So we already have RERA as a tribunal. Can we go to consumer court? सोचो and reason चाहिए अब, right? Yes no हो गया, अब reason बताइए in the comment section. Okay.
Sir, can I say?
Please go ahead, Asta.
Sir, first of all, we have a specific act on it, then and tribunal on it. Then we have to have go through that tribunal only that we have seen in green tribunal already, where all the environment related matter go to green tribunal, not to the any other court. It is also for the matter to lessen the burden on the court and to get a fast track matter on the related matters that are specifically come under the RERA. That is the
Right.
reason.
Prudent. Yeah, something to say? Please continue. Please complete.
No, just like that only. I will just summarize that if we have a specific tribunal for a specific act, then that act, whatever include under that act, should be should be done to the tribunal only. And if you have to appeal or you are not satisfied with the judgment and all, you can go to Supreme Court then.
ठीक है, आप writ jurisdiction पे आ गए. ठीक है,
Yeah.
that is also a certain prospect to consider about. Now, when we consider all regarding it, ठीक है, it's prudent, right? It's a prudent thing. अभी तक तो मतलब एक अच्छा argument दिया है. I won't deny that, right? Good ask. But now let's come what the code of interpretation says. There is law, there is everything, right? I like that's good, Srishti. Very good. I'll encourage everyone because guys, यहाँ सही गलत नहीं करना है, सीखना है, right? Any prompt answer that should be appreciated. खुद ही कर दिया करो यार. Eventually, that's good. I appreciate that. Yes. Let's just talk about the code which interprets. We know the code of interpretation. What is like code of interpretation किसे कहते हैं बताइए? To determine law तो पार्लियामेंट ने पास कर दिया, but law है क्या? मतलब है ना, फोन उनके हैं, शब्द हमारे हैं, एक है ना, एक लिंकेज है. तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट सेज टू थिंग्स, दो सेक्शन से बात करता है. तो कैन कंज्यूमर कोर्ट, शॉर्ट आंसर ब्रो, यस. एवरीवन, यू कैन आल्सो अप्रोच कंज्यूमर कोर्ट एंड यू कैन आल्सो अप्रोच रेरा. यस, एक टाइम पर एक जगह जाना, राइट? दोनों जगह जाके लाइक यू आर आस्किंग, तो यस, तब आपका रेस्ट ऑफ जुडिस लग सकता है. दैट्स अ सर्टेन वे एंड इट्स नॉट एनकरेज एनी वे, राइट? देयर आर अदर इम्प्लीकेशंस. आई विल से नैना कुमारी जजमेंट उसमें अच्छे से बताया हुआ है. बट जब हम इस पर आते हैं रेरा के, इसके रिगार्डिंग व्हाट डज द सुप्रीम कोर्ट से? लेट्स जस्ट कम अगेन टू सेक्शन 79. अरे यार, it's visible, I guess. Yeah, it's pretty much visible, I guess. Just go through this, right? No civil court. I guess anyone who's having issues in zooming, I guess you can try your phone. That's better. You can zoom through your phone. Try that if that's working, right? It's no civil court. Is consumer court a civil court? Yes. It has the powers of a civil court. But is consumer court a civil court? Just think of that. Check the Bare Act if you want to. It's a forum. It has the powers, right? जो आपके president बैठे हैं, it's also given, I'll say, जो आपके president होते हैं, right? And the president therein has the power of a deputy secretary, the rank, I'll say, right? It's a forum. Eventually, yes, as you are saying, it has the power of a civil court for entertaining various things, but consumer court isn't a proper civil court. I'll say play of word. Maybe भावनाओं के साथ खेला गया है हमारी पार्लियामेंट की, but it is what it is. It's the court of interpretation which eventually has the final say. So this is one thing, right? Section 79. Let's just move beyond. Let's just discover to further sections. Wherein, when do go through section 88, right? It says the provisions of this act shall be in addition to and not derogation of the provision of any other act that is in force. तो ये act तोड़-फोड़ करने नहीं आया. Like there are laws which change lives. Like होता है ना, there are days where years happen and there are years where days happen, right? If I'm just putting it right. तो ये रेरा आराम से बैठने आया, कह रहा मैं बिल्डर्स अगेंस्ट जो हरासमेंट कर रहे हैं बिल्डर्स लोग, ठीक है, उसमें हेल्प करूंगा, मुझे किसी को बदलना नहीं है. So consumer court stays as it is. So when I talk for where did the Supreme Court say this, मतलब podcast तो नहीं होते Supreme Court के, officially at least. So the judgment is imperial structure versus Anil Patni. I'll type it in the chat box. I guess 2020 के बाद ही आया था, post corona. So imperial structures versus Anil Patni, guys, note it down. Here in the Supreme Court very clearly mentions it out. I guess Justice Dinesh Maheshwari and Justice Vikram Nath was it, right? So they very clearly mentioned, guys, that yes, you can approach a consumer forum and you can approach RERA, right? And eventually सवाल पहुंचा क्यों consumer forum के पास, sorry, Supreme Court के पास, because there was a matter in NCDRC. You know the pecuniary structure, right? RERA is like everything. आपने 100 करोड़ का घर लिया, आपने 1 करोड़ का घर लिया, आपने 10 लाख का प्लॉट लिया, प्लॉटिंग के थ्रू, you go to RERA. But in consumer court, it's all pecuniary wise. RERA appellate is just over RERA. तो ऐसा कोई pecuniary jurisdiction नहीं है. You guys know about pecuniary jurisdiction? Right? Pecuniary jurisdiction, someone please mention in the chat box, guys. If someone is, what specifically, Pratiki, please like mention it again, right? We'll take care. Yes. So monetary. Yes. So it's approx 50 lakhs for the district, up till 2 crores or 1 crore, it is for the state commissions, and post that NCDRC. तो पहले तो मैटर आपका NCDRC जाता है, National Consumer Forum, right? NCDRC, it's a big name, right? Big full form, पढ़ लेना. But हाँ, NCDRC जाता है. Second, personal experience, it's been recorded, but ठीक है, चलो. Still, my personal views, I still put it. Consumer courts are a notch better than RERA. In my just very small personal experience, जो मैं कुछ courts में गया हूँ, right? तो एक तो वो चीज है, that's one. But एक और सवाल आता है, like, won't it be possible? Like, what is another reason, right? Think of monetary wise. We have understood why RERA is there, thousands of things we have listened, and especially the RERA tribunal I'm asking, right? Just let me know, why is it that कोई monetary stance से RERA क्यों आया? Just think over that. See, I am not talking कि हम 50 चीजें देख चुके हैं. Monetary level पे ऐसा क्या फायदा हो रहा है? तो ask that something to say. Please ask that. To see. Okay, perfect. Monetary level पे कोर्ट फीस का नाम सुना है आप लोगों ने? कभी ये प्राणी आपकी जिंदगी में आया हो? कोर्ट फीस देनी पड़ेगी. एंड कोर्ट फीस की दो टाइप्स होते हैं, वन इज फिक्स्ड, वन इज एड वैलोरम. एड वैलोरम का मतलब पता है? आई एम नॉट गोइंग, टेल मी व्हाट द लैटिन सेज. बेसिक मतलब क्या एड वैलोरम का, राइट? Someone can raise their hand, guys. इसमें तो I guess ad valorem की आप you can raise your hand and we can allow. It's Srishti. Yeah, please Srishti, go further.
According to the value.
Yes, so it's according to the value. So ad valorem is what is the value, what you are asking for, right? अब यहाँ पर अगर घर है तो आपको घर की पोजीशन नहीं मिली, 50 चीजें नहीं है, बट अगर आप डिस्प्यूट में जा रहे हैं, you would have given some amount. और लेट्स से आपने, यार लेट्स टेक समवन्स नेम, राइट? अब किसी को एग्जांपल बनाते हैं, लाइक लिविंग एग्जांपल. हु वांट्स टू वॉलंटियर, गाइस? एंड आप मुझे जानते हैं, मैं करोड़ से कम की बात तो करता ही नहीं हूँ. सो एनीवन हु वांट्स टू वॉलंटियर, राइट? 2-3 नेम्स आई गेस, गाइस, इफ वी कैन हैव. विल यूज योर नेम एज एन एग्जांपल एंड ठीक है, ओके, ठीक है, परफेक्ट. तो आई जस्ट, ठीक है, 5 आ गए तो मैं एक बार नाम लूंगा सबके, राइट? एंड so सब अपने हिसाब से इसके एग्जांपल में देखेंगे. So we have Srishti, we have Asta, we have Latika, we have Bhumika, we have Jesu, we have Bhumika, and we have Prabhnur. And which states you are from, right? Someone's Delhi, Punjab, right? Rajasthan, the states you are from. Write it in the comment section, guys. And I just hope कोई Delhi से भी बाहर का हो यार. We are having a mini India here. चलिए, great. Someone's from Punjab. Okay. Further, guys, I guess सपोर्ट योर स्टेट यार द थिंग इज यू आर फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर, तो आपको लग रहा है आपकी स्टेट से आप ही हो तो आप आ जाइए, राइट, परफेक्ट, राइट। सो वी हैव तो अपने एरिया का एक बढ़िया सी जगह सोच लीजिए जहां पर आपको एक पॉश सा फ्लैट मिल रहा है, राइट, वेरी गुड फ्लैट, एंड लेट्स से 5 करोड़ इज इट्स वैल्यू, 5 करोड़, ठीक है, या 2 लाइक 2 बिलो, लाइक बेसिक फ्लैट 5 करोड़ का, ठीक है। तो 5 करोड़ है, बिल्डर साहब आए एंड उन्होंने बना दिया पेमेंट स्ट्रक्चर आपका 10, 20, 30, 40 कुछ कर दिया, एंड अभी तक आप 40% दे चुके हैं। तो 5 करोड़ में से 40% कितना हुआ? एनीवन इन द कमेंट्स गाइस? मैच भी टेस्ट करते हैं। 5 करोड़ का 40%, परफेक्ट, 2 करोड़, राइट। तो अब 2 करोड़ रुपए दे चुके हैं। अब लेट्स जस्ट कैलकुलेट कोर्ट फीस, करें? या वो कोर्ट फीस कैलकुलेटर, कोर्ट फीस कैलकुलेट करते हैं गाइस, रेडी या ना करें? ये और नो गाइस, साइलेंस तो अलाउड ही नहीं है, चुप थोड़ी रह सकते हैं। कोर्ट फीस बताएं, करें ना करें? चलिए, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी पे आर गेट homage सेंचुरी लॉ फर्म, yes we are using their calculator and I'll just pick up Delhi, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। तो दिल्ली और चंडीगढ़ का, तो अभी तक हमने कितने पैसे दे दिए गाइस? ऑलरेडी फ्लैट तो 5 करोड़ का है, राइट, फ्लैट 5 करोड़ है पर 2 करोड़ दिए हैं। तो अभी आप पोजेशन तो क्या मांगने जाओगे, ठीक है, आप पोजेशन भी मांग सकते हो, ठीक है, वो एक अलग स्टार्टा हो जाएगा। आई जस्ट से आपका दुखी हो गया, ठीक है, आपको 2 करोड़ वापस चाहिए विद इंटरेस्ट, तो 2 करोड़ पे कोर्ट फीस लगेगा, राइट। तो let's just type in and please help me if I go wrong with the zeros. Have a look at it guys, I hope it's the right zeros. सही है, like you can verify, है ना? This is the court fees, है ना, खाया पिया कुछ नहीं, बिल आया भर आने। तो अभी जस्टिस नहीं मिला, कुछ नहीं मिला, राइट, अभी तो जस्टिस मिलना शुरू होगा, नोटिस शुरू होंगे। अटॉर्नी फीस इज वेरी डिफरेंट, अटॉर्नी का चार्ज करेगा, ये तो आप कोर्ट को दे रहे हैं कि कोर्ट आपका मैटर सुने, एंड ठीक है, कोर्ट अपनी तरह सही है, प्रूडेंट है, नहीं तो हर कोई कोर्ट पहुंच जाएगा अपने मैटर्स लेके, राइट, प्रिविलेज लिटिगेशन शो कर लेंगे, ठीक है। बट 2 लाख रुपीज गाइस, मतलब होता है ना जले में पानी नमक, मतलब ये तो बहुत ब्रूटल हो गया, राइट। अब लेट्स थिंक अबाउट रेरा, रेरा में क्या है फीस, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट, व्हाट्स द कोर्ट फीस इन रेरा, राइट? Bhumika, I guess you go ahead. Anyone who can raise the hand, Latika, you go ahead. Just give the answer, guys. Not a worry. क्या कोर्ट फीस है, मतलब आपको क्या देना पड़ेगा, राइट? व्हाट्स द कोर्ट फीस? कोर्ट फीस रेरा में भी है, बट व्हाट इज इट? एनीवन गाइस गिव एन आंसर फॉर इट, राइट?
Is it fixed?
Sir, 1,000 rupees. Oh, sorry.
Right, we are getting the right answer, right?
1,000 rupees for application actually, if I'm not.
Yeah, so 1,000 for application और एक adjudication और लगता है तो 2,000 रुपए। You see, zeros गिर रहे हैं, 2 लाख से कितने जीरोस गिर गए? 1, 2, at least 2, right? 2 जीरोस गिर गए गाइस, 2,000 नहीं, 2 जीरोस, 2 लाख से 2,000। You see कितना बड़ा स्टार्क डिफरेंस आ गया। तो दिस इज फॉर रेरा, राइट?